your name and what you specialize
My name is Sigie Levi, and I specialize in manpower, HR area, and I actually help people to know how to hire good people for their team and how to keep the morale of the team up and any aspect of it.
in? Wonderful, thank you. I was also wondering, what was one of your key takeaways from the workshop tonight?
What was my key taking from the workshop? That I actually understood that marketing is very simple. Basically, it's give me more understanding how I can utilize email system in order to reach to my prospect clients, and how I can be more beneficial to them with using different marketing tools. And I see that it's very simple.
Wonderful, thank you. Another question I have for you as well is for us here to improve our services for you. How welcome did you feel when you came in for the workshop?
How well I felt welcome. I felt really well. I felt that the team was here to accommodate whatever I need and want, and very uptone team, and definitely answer any question that I had in regard to the subject of tonight. And the food was nice. So everything was really nice, well served.
Great, thank you very much. And the very last thing I'd like to ask you is, would you be willing to invite others to our workshops to come with you?
Yes, definitely. I would like to invite more people because I think it's very essential to any business owner and even as employee to know how to market yourself and how to be in calm with your prospect customer and how to be on the com line of the world by utilizing different aspects, different social media gadgets that are there for us to utilize. Yeah.
Wonderful, well, thank you very much. That's all my questions.
Yeah. Can I look at it?